Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Essence Bliss. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please try and subscribe. Thank you. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how I made this beautiful instant glow and brightening body scrub. So if you want to know how I made this scrub, stay with me and watch to the end while I walk you through it. Thank you once again for subscribing to my channel. So in this first video, I'm melting the whip soap base. I made use of whip soap base. So I had to melt it so it will be easier for me to work with. So I am transferring the whip soap base into my main mixing bowl. We are making an activated charcoal brightening scrub. So you can either do an emulsified base or you can use a soap base. This was a whip soap base I made by myself from scratch. So in my next video, I'll do a full tutorial on how I made this whip soap base from scratch. So first of all, before you will start with any ingredient, you need to whip your soap base. You have to whip it for some time to make sure everything is settled, everything has been incorporated, no lumps or anything. You want to have a smooth texture and a smooth finish to be able to achieve a beautiful result from our scrub. So in this particular part of the video, you can see I'm just whipping the soap base. You just whip. So you just continue whipping till you get a creamy and a beautiful texture. Then you start to measure your ingredients into the mixture. So first of all, I'll start to measure my powders and then mix into the soap base. So here I'm just measuring my powders, and some of the powders I used glutathione powder. I made use of glutathione powder. I made use of abutin powder because all these powders brightens the skin. I made use of kojic deep, not kojic acid. I made use of kojic deep powder. I also made use of licorice root extract. I'll be writing all the ingredients and the measurements within the video. You wouldn't want to miss it, so try and watch everything to the end so that you'll be able to see all the ingredients and the measurements we use for this formulation. So here I'm just measuring the powders, different powders. I'm just measuring them. So let's keep watching. All I'm doing now is just measuring my powders, and then after measuring it, I just put it back into the mixing bowl. You don't even need to dilute it because it will melt on its own because of the soap base. So this is my licorice root powder. I'm also measuring that as well. And then this one is allantoin powder. Because of its antioxidant properties, it helps with healing. It can heal your scars. It can heal your stretch marks. If you have any blemishes, be rest assured allantoin will help you because it's full of healing properties. Allantoin heals the skin, so it will help you heal all your skin blemishes. If you have sunburn and any other skin blemishes, that is why I added allantoin to it. So after mixing the powders, I'm just stirring it to make sure all the powders are incorporated and has been mixed very well. So I'm just stirring. You keep stirring and stirring. Make sure everything has been mixed. So here I'm making use of my um Himalayan salt. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, you can also use diamond dermabrasion crystal. You can use any other exfoliant of your choice. So here I'm just mixing and making sure my salt has mixed properly. You can add till you get the texture you are comfortable with. You can either make it a very thick texture or you can make it creamy, or it depends on the texture you are familiar or you are okay with. So you can just, you don't even need to measure, just pour. As you are pouring, you just know that, oh, I'm okay with this texture, or let me add a little bit. So here I'm just adding my activated charcoal. I'm adding activated charcoal because we want a deep cleansing scrub, and activated charcoal help to detoxify the skin as well as deep cleansing the skin. So with this, after your first scrubbing, you get to see that your skin has become very soft, very smooth, and an instant glow. You see immediately that your skin has become instantly smooth, instantly soft, and instantly glowing. This is a beautiful scrub, so you can just try it in your house. I made this scrub for a client. We also do sell skincare. We sell skincare products. We sell skincare products, we sell lotions, we sell soaps, we sell creams, we sell everything about skincare. So you can also contact us if you want us to customize anything for you. We are also into wholesale. We are into wholesale as well. So anything about skincare, you can talk to us. We'll help you out. We'll customize a product for you. We also sell. We have page on TikTok, Instagram, and all social media. I'll also list that in the caption so that you can follow us on all our social media platforms. So here I'm adding a little bit of oils, carrier oils, to help with moisturizing the skin. We don't want to have a dry skin after scrubbing. So here I'm measuring my sweet almond oil. I'm measuring my jojoba oil as well. So after that, we pour it into our mixing bowl. I added a little bit of rose hips oil as well. All these oils help with they are antioxidants, so they will moisturize your skin, make your skin also soft. So I'm just pouring my oils into my mixing bowl. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've watched till here, I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you. We appreciate you. Are appreciated. Thank you. So I'm just mixing. You just mix, 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 mix and mix and mix and mix, so that everything will be incorporated. Our TikTok is Essence Bliss Cosmetics. Our Instagram, Essence Bliss Cosmetics. You can contact us if you want any skincare. We have all types of skincare products: whitening, brightening, lightening, glow oils, body scrubs, whitening soap. We have different types of whitening soaps. So don't hesitate to talk to us if you want any whitening products for your skin, or caramel or any other thing. So here I'm adding essential oils so that we will get a beautiful smell. We want our scrub to smell good. So I'm just adding our fragrance oil, and then our Gemal Plus, so that our scrub can last long on the shelves. So that's I'm just whipping it a little bit, and then to make sure everything has been incorporated. You don't want to mix it too much for your sugar to melt or your salt to melt. So just a little bit. You just mix a little bit, and then you stir everything together. If you have any question, you can also leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you. Don't forget to like, share to your friends and family as well. So here I decided to add arrowroot powder to the mixture. And I'm adding arrowroot powder because it improves the skin texture. It has healing properties, and it also leaves the skin feeling smooth, feeling fresh and silky. It also helps with acne and reduces skin blemishes. It also helps with skin repair. It absorbs excess oil, so it is a best choice if you are doing any skincare product and maybe you are doing it for an acne prone skin. You can add arrowroot powder to it. It will help to absorb any excess oils from your products. I added a little bit of fragrance because I wanted it to have a more sweet scent. You can just omit it out, or you can still add it to yours if you want it to have a good smell. So that's what I added to it. So after that, I'll just stir. You keep stirring. You keep stirring till you make sure everything has been incorporated. You just keep stirring. I decided to get a more bigger spoon because the small one was making my hands tired. So that was what I did here. I just changed the spatula. This was the arrowroot powder. I think the first time I didn't add it, I just put it down, but later I decided to add it back. So I just measure about 5 grams and then I added it to it. I'll list all the measurements, all the ingredients of or I'll list all the ingredients I used with their measurements. If you made it to this far, I appreciate you and I love you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of DIYs, subscribe and turn on notifications so that anytime I put something, you'll be notified to watch. Because I have a lot to post, back to back, back to back. And we will be learning a lot as well. So here I'm just packaging my body scrub to deliver to my lovely clients. We ship worldwide as well. We ship to every location. Anything you want about your skin, just talk to us. We can help you with acne, pimples, stretch marks. If you want to have just a beautiful skin, if you want anti-aging products, you can talk to us. We have so many products available. I think along the line, I'll also make a video about our products with their reviews and what each of them does. But you can visit our social media pages. We have everything listed there. So here I'm just repackaging my body scrub to deliver to my lovely clients. You can also be my lovely clients. I appreciate you so much for making it this far. God bless you. God bless you. Please share to your friends and your family. Tell them you've made a new friend here on YouTube. So here I'm just repackaging. I'm repackaging. So this is the end of our beautiful instant glow brightening activated body scrub. Please let me know when you try this scrub and how it went. It came out very beautiful with a beautiful texture. Thank you for staying with us. Bye bye.